How to turn off location tracking on Google. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Chrome. Tap on your profile at the top right corner. Head over to your account at the top. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you need to head over to Manage your Google account. In this page, move into Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the option of Web and App Activity. Move into it. In this page, what you want to do is, you have to turn this off. Click on Turn Off. Tap on Got It at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once again, click on Got It. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is, go back to your previous page. You need to scroll down until you see the option of location sharing. Once you find it, head over to it. Over here, if the location sharing is turned on, simply toggle off this button, and then you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.